Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to add videos to your Trello card to make your projects more organized and accessible. First, log into Trello at Trello.com. If you don't have an account, quickly create one. Next, open the board where you want to add the video. Find and click on the card you want to work with. Think of it as a container for your task or project. Inside the card, click the Add button, then select Attachment. Choose Upload a file and pick the video you want to attach from your computer. Give it a moment to fully upload, especially if the file is large. If it's already online, just paste the link, and Trello will embed it neatly. Once uploaded, the video will appear under the card details, ready for you and your team to view anytime. And that's it. Adding videos keeps your workflow organized, clear, and collaborative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Trello tutorials.